guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be putting on nails. Don't mention or just like my parents are joking, don't mind. So I got this nail glue that I love, and I got my press-ons. First, let's find the hand nails. Guys, I'm done with my nails. This is the one. This is the other. I put you guys down. My nails. I love them so much. So guys, I'm done with my nails. I'm gonna go wash them. If you want results, I got them way ShopRite. There's different stores. Then there's a China that sells these nails. And these were the last page, so this is gonna be different. But I do love the press-ons. I also got the nail glue there by them. So if you do really want these things, you can go there. My mother bought two for her. I got one. Bye.